In the charged and uncertain atmosphere of ZANU-PF's ongoing internal power struggles, a new and unexpected figure is stepping into the limelight. Major Mnangagwa, the son of President Emmerson Mnangagwa, Sabida Mashoko, arikuonekwa kunzi even in public displays. People they are seeing kuti aiwa mutungamiri wenyika anenge ari kuguruma mwana wake Sean Mnangagwa aiwa to succeed him. Not if you subscriber or like on the bell icon. Team number mobile commissions captured in a striking image taken at the set function on 25 April 2025. Mnangagwa is seen stepping assertively out of an armored vehicle while the presidential motorcade, surrounded by heavily armed soldiers and vigilant security operatives. The presence of Major shown not as a distant observer but embedded within the Presidency close protection team raises critical political question. Is President Mnangagwa grooming his soldier son to one day take over the reins of power? With the factional battles within ZANU-PF reaching a fever pitch, pitting Mnangagwa loyalists against those aligned with Deputy VP Constantino Chiwenga's speculation about succession is more intense than ever. Mnangagwa, who has fought tooth and nail to consolidate power after the 2017 coup, now faces the classic strongman's dilemma: how to ensure a political legacy that protects his interests once he leaves office. While Sean has previously maintained a low profile, mainly within military and intelligence circles, his sudden and visible involvement in key public state events cannot be dismissed as a coincidence. In political theater, symbolism matters. In Zimbabwe's history, the pathway to power has often been paved by military strength, cloaked in civilian legitimacy. By placing his son, a serving military officer, so close to the instruments of state power, Mnangagwa could be sending an unmistakable message: the future leadership of Zimbabwe may well stay in the family. It also tells us that Sean's role is not ceremonial. His positioning alongside hardened presidential guards signals trust at the highest level, a role that no one occupies casually. Sean is not just accompanying his father, he's learning, watching, and operating within his inner sanctum of statecraft and security management, experiences that could be invaluable if he is being primed for higher office. Domashwaruka panapa analyze vachioneka kunzi aiwa panguva inoi ma-state appearance ari kuitiwa naSean Mnangagwa ari kuva nema-speculations, vanhu ava kuona kuti aiwa now we are seeing kuti is being groomed aiwa to succeed the Zimbabwean leader. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudiva pamusoro pechitiko ichi muna comment section menzo mafungiro enyu, subscribe or like, set on the bell icon.